Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Ram Vinay Learn with Ramu. Well, it's end of the day 2 and Black Caps batsmen destroy the Indian batting lineup. It's the first test in Bengaluru. New Zealand dominated both with ball and bat. India bundled out for 46 runs in their first innings and their lowest ever in the home conditions. Matt Henry was the pick of the bowlers, dismantling the Indian lineup. In response, New Zealand reached 180 by the end of the day 2, gaining a lead of 134 runs. Devon Conway's solid 91 anchored the New Zealand innings and putting them in a very commanding position. Indian bowlers struggled a lot to make the breakthroughs, setting up a tough challenge. Can India bounce back? Time will decide. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do subscribe.